Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hey guys, welcome to Village Diaries with Varun Inamdar. Today, I'm combining India's two popular favorites, Tandoori and Aloo. You've guessed it right, I'm making Tandoori Aloo. Let's begin. What I've done for this is, of course, I've taken some baby potatoes and I've parboiled these. Let me quickly show you one of these. Next, let's move on to making the marination. And like I said, it's going to be a little different. Let's begin with the quintessential curd for the tandoori. To this, I'm adding in some paste of ginger and garlic. And of course to this, some salt as required. Remember the fact that while parboiling the potatoes, I'd also added some salt. Let's make it nice and tangy. And for that, I'm of course adding in some lemon juice. To this, let's add in some powder spices, beginning with red chili powder, as little or more as you desire. I'm following this up with some garam masala powder. Just a touch of kasuri methi. And along with this, to bring all of this together and create a nice binding, I'm adding in some roasted gram flour. Well, this is going to ensure that even if the yogurt is a little lighter, this is just going to make a nice wraparound. And finally to this, like I said, I'm making something different. And for this, I'm adding in some mustard paste. To ensure that the mustard flavor and pungency kind of goes to another level, I'm adding in mustard oil. Well, both these ingredients, if you notice, are optional. If you want to substitute mustard oil with regular oil, by all means go ahead and do it. Let's give this a good mix. Our marination is done and ready. Let's move on to the next and the most obvious step, and that is adding in the potatoes. But I'm going to make it a little differently. You'll see how. Well, you know, on various travels of mine, I pick up a lot of accessories and tools. This is one such that I picked up from Agra. It's a docker, also known as godini. All you need to do is dock the potato like so. Pull it out, and there you see these beautiful docks or incisions, which ensures that the marination seeps right within. Well, this is technically and originally used to make pethas in Agra. Well, if you do not have something as exotic as this, the next and the most obvious answer from my side would be to use a fork. Well, alternately, you can also deploy one of your carpenters to make this for you. Let's mix this well and skewer it using a wooden stick. Once the potatoes are skewered and ready, these straight go onto the flame. Well, the potatoes would take anywhere between 10 to 12 minutes to get cooked because these are pre-cooked. Keep turning these over, and there you are done with the most beautiful tandoori aloo. With this, your tandoori aloo is done and ready. And like you all know, this entire series was shot in this beautiful village on the outskirts of Mumbai. It's called Chindran. In case you have any suggestions for us, do let us know in the comment section below. On that note, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Rajshri Food.